2021 Ram 1500 HEMI. HEMI. It's the Patriot Edition. Really beautiful color, really beautiful truck. We got something different on this one for you guys. Got manifold converters there and there, stop. Then it winds into a single, then 3.5 inch pipe. We put a 3.5 to 3 inch B2 fabrications. It's made, I guess, for Dodge or for Rams. It's a really nice design, really, like they went into the fabric. But it's supposed to be a bolt-on, but it didn't fit right, so we had to chop it up to make it fit. B2 fabrication. We'll see if we can find you a link in the description. That's the old muffler there. That's the new muffler in its place. And then it comes with 2 tailpipes. We cut them and put new ones in. There and there. That comes part of the kit. He didn't want any clamps, which I don't blame him. There's the original 2 resonators. They did delete the resonators with those 2 pipes. And they come with massive 5-inch tips, which Ram should have done from the start and put them on those trucks compared to the 4-inch that comes originally. So like you guys see, looks really nice, fills up the gap nicely. And like always guys, please subscribe to help us keep going. Thank you. Much better. Ram Bighorn Edition. Wow, that sounds good. There's sound decibels again. Right at 109. Oh man, that sounds so good. B2 fabrication. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? Let me know. I like it. It sounds deep. There's that muffler and tips and everything we got. Let you guys hear on the inside. '20 Ram B2 fabrication. Look at this. We can add it to the list of exhausts we've done on these trucks. He brought his own and we put it in for him. That's what it sounds like. B2 fabrications. Comes with a 5-inch tips.